Today we are going to learn how to use logic statements on the NumWorks graphing calculator. To begin, open the calculation application. The NumWorks calculator enables you to check mathematical statements. For instance, we want to know if 5 times 3 minus 8 is equal to 2. To test this, we enter 5 times 3 minus 8 and press Shift-Pi to enter the equal sign, followed by the number 2. Because 5 times 3 minus 8 is not equal to 2, the result is false. Now let's test if 5 times 3 minus 8 is greater than or equal to 2. Once again, we type 5 times 3 minus 8. To enter the greater than or equal to symbol, we open the toolbox and navigate down to Logic. Here we find our symbol along with other symbols you may find useful. Finally, we input 2 and see that this statement is true. For more tutorials, visit numworks.com.